Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to add a sticker to your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So if you want to add a sticker like this on your Samsung S25 Ultra, then let me show you how to do this. So first you need to go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. So this is something similar to Google Play Store. Go ahead and search for Good Lock. Go ahead and download this app, open it. Now in the app, you're searching for another app called Lockstar, which looks like that. Tap on this. This will now take you into your lock screen customization. Now to add a sticker to your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen, go ahead and tap on Lockstar at the bottom, and then go ahead and tap on stickers. Now you can go ahead and choose all the available stickers from your gallery or from Samsung itself. I'll go ahead and use a sticker from my phone library. So I'll choose this camera here. You can go ahead and place it anywhere you like. You can enlarge it, and you can use multiple stickers. You can go ahead and use the layer option, so you can reorder the items if you want the egg behind or the egg forward. Once you're happy, you can press done, and this will save those stickers onto your lock screen. So if you press home and you lock your screen, you'll see those stickers on your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. So there you go guys, that is how to add a sticker to your Samsung S25 Ultra lock screen. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.